If you are using the Instagram app and your Instagram DMs are glitching, not sending messages or disappearing, don't worry. I will show you quick and easy fixes on how to fix Instagram chat glitch. So let's get started. The number one step is to check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn airplane mode on and wait for a few seconds, then turn it off. And if that does not work, simply restart your Wi-Fi router. Step 2 is to restart the Instagram. To restart it, simply close the app completely, just like this, and reopen it. If that does not work, restart your phone. Step 3 is to update Instagram. For that, open your app store and search for the Instagram, and if there is the update version, you can simply update it. Step 4 is to clear cache of the Instagram app. For that, go to your settings app, then go on to general option right here, select it, then tap onto iPhone storage, then find the Instagram app just like this, tap on it and tap onto offload app to clear the cache, and after offloading it, you need to reinstall it. And if nothing works, simply uninstall the Instagram app just like this. Remove the app and reinstall it. And that's it. Try these fixes and let me know in the comments which one worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.